Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study about current division rule and voltage division rule. Current division rule allows to find current flow through each resistors in a parallel branch as a percentage of current. We should know values of resistors in each branch and total current flowing through the circuit. In voltage division rule, voltage drop across several resistors in a series circuit should add up to supply voltage, which is called as Kirchhoff's voltage law. The voltage divided between resistors in a series circuit is directly proportional to their resistors. Let us study about the formula that is used for voltage division technique and current division technique. In voltage division technique, we have elements that are connected in series. Here, resistor R1, R2, R3 are connected in series across a voltage V. That is, a battery of voltage V is applied across R1, R2, R3. If we need to find voltage drop across R1, it will be V1. Across R2, voltage drop will be V2. And across R3, voltage drop will be V3. A current I will be flowing through the circuit. If we need to find amount of voltage drop across R2, we can use the formula for voltage division technique, that is V2 is equal to total voltage into voltage drop V2 is across R2. So same resistance upon summation of resistance. Here we have resistance R1, R2, R3. We have to add up here and we get value of voltage V2. If we need to find value of voltage drop across R3, this will be V3 is equal to total voltage into R3 upon R1 plus R2 plus R3. While in case of current division technique, we have elements that are connected in parallel across a source. Here we have resistors R1 and R2 connected across a battery of volt V. A total current IT is flowing through the circuit, which gets split into I1 and I2, where current I1 flows through R1 and current I2 flows through R2. If we need to find the amount of current I1 flowing through branch R1, we can have equation as I1 is equal to total current in the circuit into opposite resistor, that is R2 upon R1 plus R2. Similarly, if we need to find current flowing across R2, we can use formula of current division technique as I2 is equal to I total into opposite resistor divided by R1 plus R2. Let us go through a numerical. Here we need to determine voltage across each element using voltage division rule. The elements present here are 2 ohm, 4 ohm and 6 ohm resistors. We need to find voltage across each element. That is, across 2 ohm is V1, across 4 ohm is V2 and across 6 ohm is V3. We need to find values of V1, V2 and V3. Current flowing through the circuit is I and we have a battery of 20 volt. We all know equation for voltage division rule, that is V1 is equal to V total into R1 upon summation of resistors. Similarly for V2 and V3. Let us have a look. V1 is equal to 20 into 2 upon summation of resistors. V2 is equal to 20 upon 4, 20 into 4 upon summation of resistors. Similarly for V3. The results that we get are 3.33 volt, 6.66 volt and 10 volt. We can solve the same question using Ohm's law as well. In case of voltage division rule, we achieved V1 is equal to 3.3 volt, while in case of Ohm's law, we get V1 as 3.32 volt. For V2, that is voltage drop across resistor 4 ohm, we achieved result as 6.6 volt. From Ohm's law, we get V2 as 6.64 volt. For V3, that is voltage drop across 6 ohm, we achieved the result as 10 volt. From Ohm's law, we get 9.96 volt. The results are similar. So we all know Ohm's law, that is V is equal to I into R. For individual voltage drops V1, V2, V3, we need to calculate total current IT. V1, for equation V1 will be equal to I total into R1. I total can be achieved from again Ohm's law, that is I total is equal to V total upon R total. Total voltage is 20 volt and total resistance value is 12. We get 1.66 amp. This total current is to be substituted for V1, V2, V3, as V1 is equal to I total into R1. For V2 it's I total into R2, and for V3 it's I total into R3. So we get results from Ohm's law as well as from voltage division technique. Let us go through a numerical for current division rule as well. Here we need to determine current flowing through each branch using current division rule. That is, we have two branches here with R1 and R2 of 4 ohm and 5 ohm. We need to find current flowing through R1 and R2. That is, across 4 ohm is I1 and across 5 ohm is I2. Total current flowing in the circuit is 4.5 amp and total voltage is 10 volt. So we know equation or formula for current division, that is I1 into I total into opposite resistor divided by summation of resistors. So current I1, on substituting the values, we get 2.5 amp, and I2, that is current flowing through 5 ohm resistor, substituting the values, I total into R1 divided by R1 plus R2, we get 2 amp. The same question can be solved using Ohm's law. So we get I1 is equal to V by R1, that is voltage value is 10 and R1 value is 4, we get 2.5 amp. Similar to current division rule, for I2 we have V upon R2, so this is 10 upon 5, we get 2 amp. This is a simple question. When there are complex questions, complex circuits, sometimes it's difficult to apply Ohm's law, and at that condition we can apply voltage division rule and current division rule. Thank you.